So good morning everyone. We shoulder joints major bony components here. The shoulder complex is made up of three major joints: the sternoclavicular joint, the acromioclavicular joint, and the glenohumeral joint. The sternoclavicular joint is connected by one of the ligaments here called a sternoclavicular ligament. It has anterior and posterior parts covering the anterior and posterior articulating surfaces of the sternoclavicular joint. It is a saddle variety synovial joint and it is mobile too. So it has 3 degrees of freedom. So the next is the acromion clavicular joint. The acromion process of the scapula articulates with the lateral part of the lateral end of the clavicle. So there is a ligament connecting these two, which is called as acromioclavicular ligament, which is shaded in blue for your visualization. But here we are going to see about superior and inferior. There will be superior part of the ligament and inferior part of the ligament. Bilaterally it will connect cover the articulating surfaces. So it will cover the articulating surfaces. I'm going to hide this for your better view. So this is a plane synovial joint. It's a plane synovial joint. The articulating surfaces are flat. So it's a plane synovial joint. Okay, it do also have 3 degrees of freedom. So at the last, we are going to see about the glenohumeral joint. So glenohumeral joint is one of the largest joint in this entire complex. So it is a ball and socket variety of synovial joint. I will fade this humerus for you. So this is the articulating surface. This is the glenoid cavity of scapula, which articulates with the head of humerus. So this is a ball and socket joint. It has 3 degrees of freedom and it is a multi-axial joint. It has various degrees, so it is of a major importance in the shoulder complex. So the medical importance of the shoulder joint, one of the major clinical importance is due to the shallow glenoid cavity, because it is not that deep to hold the head of humerus. As you see, the glenoid cavity is much smaller when in comparison to the large head of humerus. So this makes the joint most dislocatable joints than any other. The major stability factor of the shoulder joint is muscles as well as its ligaments. Thank you.